Okay, so this ACT word problem is a great one in which I'd like to use elimination to figure out. In the figure below, A, C, F, and D are collinear. B, C, and E are collinear. And the angles A, E, and F are right angles as indicated there. And which of the following statements is not justifiable from the given information? Okay, so let's start. F. AB is parallel to EF. Well, as you can see, AB is a 90-degree angle. EF over here is also a 90-degree angle. Um, and as you can see, they're both intersected by this line over here. Essentially, it's what we call a traversal. And they're both 90 degrees to each other. So they are parallel to each other. So F is out of the question. DE is perpendicular to B. Well, by the definition of right angle, this is, let's try to change the color. Pen settings, color, I'm going to put green for one line. This is BE. And this is DE. And we know that there is a right angle between them. Let me switch my color back to black. So there is a right angle between them. Okay, that does not look like a square, but you get it. There's a right angle there. So by the definition of right angles, they are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular essentially means intersects at a right angle. So that's out of the question too. Angle ACB is congruent to angle FCE. Remember, it says not justifiable. Not justifiable. So which one of these is not justifiable from the given information? Angle ACB is congruent to FCE. Okay, so let me just clear the screen a bit. Angle ACB is congruent to FCE. So ACB is this angle right here. FCE is this angle right here. By the definition of vertical vertical angles or interior angles, they are congruent to each other. All vertical angles are congruent to each other. So this is out of the question. Angle triangle BAC is similar to EFC. Sorry, that's my friend. Triangle BAC is right here. That's triangle BAC in yellow. And then if I change my color to purple, triangle EFC is right there. As you can see, the angles are essentially the same. We've got a 90-degree angle right here, 90-degree angle right here. We got congruent angles at the ends thanks to interior angles or vertical angles. And then by that definition, we have these sides that are congruent. And that makes these triangles similar triangles. So that makes no sense either. So we're left with K. CE is congruent to ED. And I can just clean up all of this. CE is congruent to ED. By what definition is it congruent to ED? You know, it doesn't say that EF, nowhere in the information does it say that EF over here bisects, which means like is equivalently splits up angle CED. So we can't just assume that CE is congruent to ED because it doesn't say anywhere that line EF bisects angle E. So that makes no sense. Anyways, so yeah, this is just another lesson. Don't assume things in geometry. Just because things look a certain way doesn't mean they are. Anyways, so all we did over here was eliminate the choices, and that's another useful tactic to use on your ACT math problems. Please subscribe and have a great day.